Since you came up with shadow play, what is next in store for you? What surprises do you have for your fans, or are you just going to pursue shadow play and make it something like a trend here? Do you wanna make it something big, or are you going to go another route, like you did before, from hip hop to shadow play to something else, or are you gonna stick with shadow play?
We will still pursue po shadow play. Pero meron po kaming naiisip na something improvement for shadow play. And siguro po, ito na rin po yung pasasalamat namin sa mga Filipino and to all our Asian supporters. Siguro po, saka na lang po namin i-reveal kung ano po yun.
But can you all share with us kung ano yung sacrifice and the hard work that went into makuha niyo yung success?
Ang major sacrifice po ng grupo, siguro po is yung we have lack of sleep. Kasi po,
Sleep deprived. How many hours ang sleep ninyo?
actually 22 hours rehearsal, 2 hours sleep. Ang major naging challenge po kasi namin is yung konsepto, yung concept or the story. Kasi we have different cultures and Asian countries, so have to make them as one. So in our performance, yun po yung goal namin, na mapag-isa namin yung lengguwahe ng bawat Asian countries. So yun po yung naging big challenge sa amin na halos araw-araw kami nag-brainstorming, araw-araw kami nagbubuo ng shadow. Hindi namin alam kung ano yung maganda or something na magugustuhan ng buong Asia at ng buong mundo. So yun po yung sa sobrang sacrifice po namin, nawala na talaga kami ng tulog.